that okay. I have a doubt that I also have my final examination in December and November, and I want to take the courses which I can easily manage at that time. So I have completed BDM and PDSA, DBMS, and MLF. So I'm not able to understand that which course should be easily manageable at the time. So can you give some suggestions?
So, are you focusing or firstly on diploma in programming or the data science? Which diploma you?
I'm focusing on data science, diploma of data science.
So I can suggest you can take BA or TDS kind of subjects that will be a little bit lighter to handle in your next term, or you can also take one programming diploma subject in upcoming term like DBMS you completed, right? DBMS PDS you completed.
Yes, I have completed DBMS and PDS.
Okay, then you can take MAD one. It will be a little bit
But
lighter for you.
MAD one, matlab, I also have to complete my project in MAD one also. But I am
MAD one
like
theory, I'm saying.
okay theory. Okay, okay.
Mad one
Isn't
theory
it
you can
tough?
take, or you can take BA and Mad one. It will be better for you if you can. If you want to go lightly, like
Yeah, I want to go like less. I want to go stress free at the time. Very
yeah, yeah, yeah,
hectic
yeah.
schedule.
See, Mad one is a little bit easy for to handle. There is no OPPs and also and BA is also same. Okay, so you can manage that. I can say if you go for
Okay.
light. Okay.
I also have a doubt that I completed my BDM theory this term. So should I have to complete my project in next term, or I should skip it? So what's your suggestion on that?
You can do later if you want to do in your subsequent term. That's completely your decision, but you can complete later also as well. And it's not the theory and the project not too much connected at all, so you can do it later as well.
Okay. So I should take like what Mad one or TDS like that subjects.
Mad one and BA you can take, or if you want to complete the data science diploma first, then you can take TDS and BA as well.
Or
Is the two combination I suggested you, and you can just if you want to go for data science to complete first, then you should take BA and TDS. I would suggest
is there
rather if
any
you want.
prerequisites for that subjects?
Sorry,
Uh, is there any prerequisites for that subjects like
no,
BA, English?
no
Okay,
prerequisite.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Next, next one. Who is anyone? Guys? You can just open your mic and ask.
Hello,
Yes, Dhananjay, go ahead.
sir. I have a doubt regarding my score in subjects,
Which subject?
statistic one and maths one.
Yes, go ahead. What are you facing the issue?
Sir, I score just 20 score. So, is there any provision to give a retest on that? Because if I do full course again, so it take lots of time, nearly 3 months. So that's why.
So basically, you can repeat the entire course for improvement. You can definitely repeat it, but if you completed, there is no retest actually for the end term or any case. Okay, you have to repeat the
Okay.
full course again.
सर in 1 year how many times मतलब हिंदी में बोल सकता है just
How many? What? I just come again.
सर हिंदी में बोल दूं क्या
Ah, sure, sure.
सर एक ईयर में कितने सेमेस्टर होते हैं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि सितंबर का एक हो गया,
It's
मई में
actually
भी एक हुआ।
trimester. It's actually trimester, not semester. It's 4 months. What one term? Okay. So it's actually
हाँ तो
trimester. It's a
हाँ
three term per year.
हाँ तो वही कि एक साल में तीन सेमेस्टर, तीन होंगे टर्म्स, तो ये 3 साल का कोर्स है, तो अभी मैं वापस से कोर्स रिपीट कर लूंगा तो मई के एग्जाम में मैं दूसरा सेमेस्टर में चले जाऊंगा।
Yes, yes, definitely. So, so I will not suggest you to repeat. But if you want to improve your CGPA, you can. Otherwise, I will suggest you to take new courses because that's better to and keep. You can complete your degree as soon as
सर,
possible. Okay.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Yeah. Next, anyone?
हेलो।
सर हाँ
Yes, Dhananjay, you want to ask anything else?
सर, क्या तीन ही सेमेस्टर होते हैं ना, मतलब कोर्स 5 के लिए
हाँ
चलना
हाँ
चाहिए इसलिए।
हाँ।
हाँ ठीक है सर, थैंक यू
तीन
सर।
तीन ही टर्म होते हैं एक ईयर पे. Okay.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Okay. Yes. Next.
कोई ईएस का भी है क्या?
Yes. Okay. Let me check. Uh,
मेरे को
hey,
कुछ पूछना था
guys. Anyone of
ईईसी
the
के
yes?
रिलेटेड।
Regarding yes, I am taking doubts.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay.
you can.
Vishal, go ahead.
विशाल भाई, मेरे को ईईसी का पूछना है, कैसे
हाँ,
करूँगा?
क्या पूछना है लाइक आपको उसमें?
उसमें प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह होते हैं ना, मतलब कैसे बताऊँ मैं?
आप अभी कौन से लेवल पे हो? कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट?
माई सेल्फ अंशुहान, फर्स्ट बैच था मेरा ईएस का।
ओके,
तो
सो
मेरा
मींस
ईईसी बच रहा है बस।
ईसी बच रहा है, मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाला ना? ईएसटीसी।
नहीं, ईएसटीसी हो गया,
ईएसटीसी हो गया।
ईईसी बीडीएस और ईईसी होता है ना, तो मेरा लास्ट ईईसी बच रहा है, तो उसमें मेरे को ना थोड़े नोट्स वगैरह बनाने में डाउट्स, मतलब प्रॉब्लम हो रखी है, समझ में ही नहीं
तो
आता।
लाइक यू आर फेसिंग a language issue, like all the our courses are in English, so you are like
ना ना
are
ना
you,
ना उनका तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आता, वो तो कुछ पढ़ाते ही नहीं है।
ऐसा मतलब क्लास का कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, ऐसा जो भी वो प्रोफेसर लोग क्लास
वो
ले
कुछ
रहे हैं?
पढ़ाते ही नहीं है, वो एक दो क्वेश्चन बताते हैं, अच्छा ऐसा कर लो, उसके बाद खुद करना पड़ता है सब कुछ, तो मेरे को वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि कहाँ से करूँ।
Electrical, and let me check the syllabus, then I will suggest you where from where you
हाँ,
can come to
काफ़ी
that.
लेंथी सिलेबस है।
Okay, give me a sec.
और मेरे को अनुव्रता सर से भी थोड़े डाउट्स वगैरह पूछने थे स्ट्रेटेजीज के लिए।
Give me 5 minutes ना.
ओके।
Okay, meantime, any other doubts? Anyone can raise your hands.
Yes,
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm Sarwar Karim from West Bengal. I want to know
Okay.
that I have completed 5 courses in diploma term.
Okay.
Uh, it's BDM,
Hmm.
MLF, MLT, okay,
Okay.
DBMS, and Business Analytics, BA.
Okay.
So now I wanted to complete this diploma whole courses and with project. I have completed uh, BDM project. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to submit final submission and this
Hmm.
month. Okay,
Hmm.
in BG project. 3 projects left now, and
Okay.
there are 7 courses left. Okay,
Okay.
I want to complete it with 2 terms,
Two terms.
and there are 3 project and
Yeah. 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 Three
uh,
project and 7 courses left.
courses. Can you please guide me how which courses should I take?
Okay. Okay. That's a very firstly. Are you standalone student or doing any
Yes,
other degree
I'm
along with?
standalone. I'm
Okay,
standalone.
standalone. Okay, then you can think of, because 7 courses left. So the way you can go now is like take 4+3, which
Yes.
itself is very like tough. Okay, first go like for the data science. You have done MLF, MLT. So for sure you have to go with MLP.
Yes.
You have done math courses.
No. No.
No, okay. Then you have to take MAD 1, because without completing MAD 1 you can't take MAD 2.
Okay.
Okay, MAD 1, MLP, and are there any prerequisites? Good, let me check. You have done, okay. You have not done PDSA, right?
Yes.
You
I'm not
can
done.
take PDSA. and one of the between system command and TDS.
Oh, one of them. Okay.
Okay.
TDS.
Okay. One of the from system commands or TDS. So it will balance out the toughness, and the remaining three courses you can take on that Jan term because you want to
Mat
complete in
2.
two terms, right? Mat
What is
2
left?
and Mat 2 Java and other courses like one of them from SC or TDS, whatever is left.
Okay. But what about project?
Okay, project you have done MAD 1, you have
No,
done
no.
BDM project, right?
I have done only BDM project.
Okay, then along with MAD 1, you can take only MAD 1 project. And I would suggest like since you have done MLF and MLT, you take the MLP project along with MLP theory, but it will be hectic to take it since the MLP course and MLP project
Oh, okay.
don't run
Understand.
simultaneously. You have to go bit ahead, study the MLP concepts, and start with the project beforehand. But it would be like good if you complete it before. So project you can, since the project is like outside the CCC, you can take two projects also along with the four theory courses, but which is very hectic.
Okay.
So I'll
Which
suggest,
two
okay,
courses?
along with MAD 1, you can take MAD 1 project. MAD 1 project
Yes.
is okay, beginner kind of thing.
Okay.
Are you familiar with web technologies?
No, no, no.
Okay, it will be like medium to hard for you then. But
Okay.
yeah, if you take mentorship from the IDM they provide, it would be easy. If you don't want to take mentorship, there are also free resources available on YouTube.
Okay.
Previous mentorship sessions are also available, bootcamp. You can take those as a guidance for the
Okay.
MAD-on project and SC MLP project and MAD-on project. Because without completing the MAD 2 theory, you can't take the MAD 2 project. So
Understand.
for
But
the next term, you can have to
with
take
MAD
MAD
on,
2 project.
okay, MAD on courses with MAD on course, it's not be tough to complete project.
It will be tough, but since you want to complete in two terms, then you have to make some
Uh,
sacrifices, right? You have to go
okay.
and because you have to utilize
So,
the break now.
so what I need to do? I think I need to some theory
Okay,
courses. I need to,
I can
uh,
guide you. Like if you want to complete the Madon project, week one go. The lectures are available on YouTube, and even you
okay.
can access those right on the.
Okay.
You can do another thing that go to the Mad One YouTube channel.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, wait a second. I guess someone's mic is on. Can you off it? It is creating noise. Okay. What I was saying. Okay. For the Mad1 project, you can do one thing. You can go to the Mad1 channel. There is YouTube channel for Mad1. So they conduct project sessions. So you can
Okay.
do one thing. You can go to the Jan 2024 project sessions. You
Okay.
can go from either you can watch the whole series. Then you'll get a whole idea how to make the project. The instructor
Okay.
showed it very well. But if you want to know the theory also behind it, you should go like read week 1 to 6 for the MAD 1 project. If you go
Okay.
through it
With one.
1 to 6
Okay.
theory, you'll be done with like the all
So
the
it
theory
will not be.
concepts you need.
It will not be preferable to complete first COE 1 to 6. Then I need. Then I should go for the lectures you're talking about.
Yeah, you can take the lectures, but I would suggest go with the project sessions. They are more hands-on. You'll get
Okay. Okay.
more how to do it because in theory it's like the whole
Acha.
thing, but in project session it
Oh,
is specific to the project.
okay. Specific to the project. Okay.
Yeah.
Another thing. What about the MLP project?
MLP project, yeah, same. There is channel for MLP project. You can go and check the sessions. Exact because the data for MLP project it changes every time. Same the project statement for MAD1 changes every time. But you will get the overall idea about how to proceed with the project. At the end of the day, you on yourself have to start.
Okay. Understand.
Yeah.
Understand. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Sir, hello sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
सर हैकेथॉन के रिगार्डिंग डाउट्स थे थोड़े।
Hackathon, like which one particular?
ये आईआईटी मद्रास का ही एक मेल आया है मुझे आज ही आया है वो रोबोटिक्स कुछ करके हैकेथॉन है।
Okay, the NASA one.
सर इसकी सबमिशन की लास्ट
S
डेट नहीं दी है यहाँ पे और बस 2 अक्टूबर को कंडक्ट होने वाला है ये बताया है, और पीपीटी किस फॉर्मेट में देनी है, पीडीएफ और क्या पेजेस का ये होगा, बैकग्राउंड फ्रेम वो नहीं दिया है यहाँ पे, बस अपलोड करने के लिए एक डैशबोर्ड दिया है
ओके
गूगल
ओके,
फॉर्म।
वो इट इज रोबोटिक्स वाला।
हाँ रोबोटिक्स वाला आज सुबह ही
ओके
आया है।
ओके,
और
इज इट कंडक्टेड बाय आईआईटीएम? आई डोंट थिंक सो।
हाँ यहाँ पे दिया है आईआईटी
ओके
मद्रास हाँ।
Actually, it's
ओके
conducted
ओके
with a student placement council. Actually,
ओके।
SPC.
So what doubt you have, like particular about the hackathon,
हाँ सर,
कि like
क्या
submit
इसकी
कैसे करना है?
हाँ सबमिट नहीं, जैसे कि पीपीटी हम बनाएंगे तो अभी स्मार्ट
हम्म
इंडिया हैकेथॉन में उन्होंने एक फॉर्मेट दिया है पीपीटी का।
हम्म।
अभी और मैं दूसरे कॉलेज से मतलब एक इसमें भी दे सकता हूँ, और क्या फॉर्मेट देना है, और मैं दूसरे मेंबर्स को ला सकता हूँ, जैसे कि मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स है वो आईआईटी मद्रास की बीएससी की वो नहीं है, वो ही पूछना
ओके,
था।
बट आई डोंट थिंक तुम कर सकते हो, क्योंकि मेल में लिखा है कि लाइक यूज योर स्टूडेंट आईडी।
हाँ आईआईटी की आईडी यूज करनी है।
हाँ, तो अगर तुम्हारे पास ही सिर्फ आईडी है तो सिर्फ तुम ही रजिस्टर कर पाओगे ना।
हाँ हाँ
अगर टीममेट होंगे तो मेरे को पता नहीं कि लाइक एग्जैक्ट। अच्छा, यू कैन डू वन थिंग, तुम उनको मेल कर सकते हो रिगार्डिंग द इश्यूज। स्टूडेंट प्लेसमेंट काउंसिल को उनको मेल कर सकते हो, लाइक इट इज नॉट कोर्स स्पेसिफिक, तो वी आर नॉट क्लियर लाइक प्रोसीजर क्या है।
हाँ तो सर ये स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकेथॉन में कैप्टन की आईडी यूज होती है, और बाकी टीम मेंबर्स का कुछ डाटा नहीं लगता, वो बस टीम में ऐसे प्रेजेंटेशन देने के लिए रहता है बस। तो इसमें भी ऐसा ही करेंगे क्या?
आई एम नॉट श्योर, तुम एक बार एसपीसी को मेल कर सकते हो।
और इसकी लास्ट डेट भी नहीं दी है
आई गेस सो।
सब।
आई गेस। अच्छा, द एग्जैक्ट डेट बाद में अनाउंस करेंगे।
हाँ, और ये हार्डवेयर रिगार्डिंग ही है, और मुझे वैसे हार्डवेयर ही है मेरा, पर सॉफ्टवेयर में थोड़ा अच्छा हो जाता है।
यू कैन आस्क,
वो इशू नहीं,
लाइक मेल कर सकते
वो,
हो।
वो इशू नहीं है, जस्ट ठीक है।
ओके, नेक्स्ट हु इज देयर? Yeah, you can go ahead. Is the mic not working?
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible now.
Yeah, I have just completed my foundation in this term, and I'm just going to the diploma. So
Mm-hmm.
I want to take 3 courses and 1 project in this term.
Okay.
So can you suggest
Okay.
me what will be the better option for me? Actually,
Uh,
I want to say that I'm good at programming, and
hmm.
I'm not pretty much good at stats or maths. Okay, so you can
Okay.
go with.
Okay. So, do you want to combine the both diplomas or like go ahead with
Yeah,
one?
it's okay. I can combine it.
Okay. So you want to take first one project, right?
Yeah, 1 project.
Okay. So for the project, you should take MAD one project because that's the easiest of the all. Or you can take BDM.
Okay.
So if you take BDM, you have to take the BDM course theory. If you take MAD one project, you need to take the MAD one theory also. And along
Yeah.
with that, you can take if you want to proceed with like programming stuff, you can take the DBMS.
Okay.
So that can match along with DBMS. You can take one hard subject. Can you take? Are you doing it standalone or?
Yeah, standalone.
Okay, you can take another tough subject, right?
Yeah.
So I will suggest take PDSA because it will help you. Or without PDSA, you should take MLF, either
Okay.
PDSA or MLF, because both you- for the MLT course, because since the data science courses are stacked upon one another, right? If
Yeah,
you
yeah.
don't complete MLF, MLT, you can't proceed, right? So I'll better suggest take MLF, take MAD one theory, and from BDM or DBMS take one. If you want to take 3 subjects, because if you take MAD one theory, you can take the MAD one project and MLF and the BDM.
Okay, so MLF, BBMS, Med1 theory
MAD
plus
one,
project.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Next, go ahead. Yeah, Srividya.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
I'm Sri Vidya. I'm doing the foundation course. So I
Hmm.
just cleared the term one. So I have to move on to the term two now.
Hmm.
And I'm working. So this is part time, or I can spend only a very limited time in a day. So based on that, actually, term one I took all four subjects mainly
Okay.
because since I have some experience, I thought English and computational thinking are straightforward. So
Hmm.
I took all four courses, but time management was very difficult because every week we have to submit assignments. So because of that, statistics I couldn't even uh, do one activity. But I have cleared all the paper, all the courses. So with this background, right, what would you suggest for me to take in term two of foundation? So I initially thought I can take English and stats, English and Python.
Okay.
So what would be the recommendation? Because I want to do Python
Uh,
at
do you
first.
have any time limit? Like you want to finish in this much duration?
Yeah, I want to finish the next two terms.
Okay, next two terms. So,
Yeah.
firstly, if you take English and Python, you will be
Mm-hmm.
left with Maths 2 and Stats 2. And taking
Yeah.
Maths 2 and Stats 2 would be too much hectic because those are
Okay.
very hard subjects. So, I'll first
Okay.
suggest to break the two subjects.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay.
I'll suggest take Maths 2 along with Python and Stats 2 with English because Stats 2 is much more hard than English. Sorry, Maths 2.
Oh, okay. Oh, stats
I'll
2 is
suggest Maths
difficulty
2
level is
Python.
higher than maths
Hi.
2, is it?
Yeah, I'll
Oh, okay.
suggest that of the eight courses in foundation, Stats 2 is the like most hard, and
Uh-huh.
it lays the foundation for the data science diploma because in MLF, MLT, it would be
Mm-hmm.
just Stats 2 repeated again and again. So if you are
Okay.
not clear with Stats 2 concept, you'll like face too many problem in data science diploma.
Okay.
I'll suggest
Okay.
take
So
Maths 2
mhm,
and Python.
Python. Okay.
If you want to take two subjects, and next time you can take English 2 and Stats 2. English 2 is like it's a level up than English 1, but it's easier. You can take the courses.
Okay. So other than that, is it what are the other options? So is it possible for me to complete it in three terms? That is also possible.
Three, yeah, you can complete it in three terms, but you have
Since
already spent one term, right?
yeah, I've already spent
So
one
if,
term.
if you want to spend another three terms, like it will be in total four terms in foundation. Do you want to invest four terms
Yeah,
in foundation?
that
That's the
is too
question.
much, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. Okay. And so I'm not sure if this is the right forum, but what is the preferred or suggested way to prepare for the courses? So should we see the video lectures or should we just attend the live session?
Okay, it depends on your background. I mean, like academic background, like what you're coming from. Are
Okay.
you coming from STEM background?
No, I'm engineer basically,
Okay, so then
but
you
I
must have knowledge of maths, like a
yes,
pretty
yes,
good idea. Then
correct.
I would suggest like for maths and stats courses, you can do one thing. You can
Mm-hmm.
take the lecture slides and the live
Okay.
sessions. That would be
So
enough.
both.
Live sessions. First, you can do one thing. Since you're
Mm-hmm.
familiar with the concepts, you are
Mm-hmm.
not new to these concepts, you can just watch through the lecture slides, take up
Okay.
like whatever their week content is there.
Oh, lecture slides. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that there are lecture slides available. You can watch that, you can see that what are the contents available, and you can see
Okay.
that okay, this concept I know, this concept I don't. Then from that you can go to the live sessions that are conducted weekly twice. And whether you can also ask your doubt sessions there, because in the week
Okay.
live sessions what happens, I don't know about the frequency. Like they conduct 2 to 3 sessions every week per week. One of them remains like the summary session. Like they
Summaries.
summarize the whole week. So it will help you to summarize. And next, one session is for the problem solving. They solve the problems and queries. In both the
Correct.
session, you can ask your personal doubts and queries. They will solve it. But the one session is more like aligned towards the like problem solving. So you can go and watch the like there are also recordings available, It's not mandatory that okay you have to watch the live sessions. You can go and like since you're a working professional, you can go later and just watch the live sessions that are available.
Okay.
This
Okay.
do like lecture slides plus live sessions would be like
That's
more than enough.
sessions.
And before the exam, you can watch the revision sessions they conduct. That's it.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you. Next, who is there?
Next is Smita Shiva Kumar. Go ahead.
Yeah, good evening. So this is my first term in diploma and I'm already doing another degree. I'm in a third year in that one. So what are the subjects I can choose for the first term in diploma? I prefer that to be quite simple and easy to cope up. Third year
Like you're having
degree,
another degree, right? You're
yeah,
doing another degree.
in my engineering, I'm in third year.
Okay, engineering in
LEC.
EC. Okay,
Yeah.
so do you want to mix the diplomas or separate?
No, I would anyways like I'm going to do this degree do this till the degree level. So either way is
Okay,
fine.
so do you want to like do you have any goal like in how many terms you want to finish the diploma level?
No, nothing as such.
Okay, so how many courses you think you can take?
Um, Maximum two courses.
Maximum two.
Yeah.
Okay, then I will suggest go with MLF and MAD one.
Won't that be very difficult subjects?
No,
Because my third
MLM
year is
MLF
also
is like the starting. Since you have passed the like stats 2 and maths 2, right?
yeah.
MLF is just maths 2 and stats 2.
because DBMS is core requisite for Med 1.
Okay, yeah. Then you have to take DBMS because for MAD 1 you need to take DBMS.
No, no, fully
So
actually. You can take DBMS and MAD1 together as well.
yeah, it's co-requisite, na? You have to take MAD 1 and DBMS together. Yeah, I forgot. It's co-requisite. So okay, you can take MLF for sure. It's like the scaled up of like maths 2 and stats 2 combined. And along with that, you can take BDM. It's easy subject. And if you want to take MAD 1, you have to take the DBMS also.
Another
Like,
question: how many times she can devote?
oh no, there is no.
No,
She told that she want to take two courses. So
two courses, but if you suggest some courses, some subject takes more time, some subject takes less time. So depend
yeah,
upon how much time.
I would spend very minimum time, like
Very minimum
maybe
time,
around
then
3 hours or something. That is
you have to take
maximum.
very easy subjects.
Yeah, I wanted very easy subjects.
So DBMS and MLP is a very easy subject.
MLF.
There is
Yeah,
another
DBMS and MLF would be easy.
BA. BA also is a subject, but BA
But
you can't do without DBMS.
Yeah, MLF is it like more of theoretical or it
it's maths.
requires
It's
MLF
math.
is maths. Like your maths 2 and stats 2 combined. That's it. MLF is maths totally. There is no programming concepts coming in MLF. It would be based on pure maths, linear algebra, and statistics.
won't that require more amount of time prepared or
If you have done maths 2 and stats 2 well, then it won't take because there won't be any like new concepts coming. Like very few new concepts. Mostly it would be like maths 2 and stats 2 concept again, but like
But,
more oriented to machine learning. That's it.
but on the if she wants a more easy subject, then she can refer BDMS. That is another easy subject. That subject don't take that much of time.
Yeah, so the combinations can be like you can take MLF and BDM. So MLF is math and BDM is kind of easy. You can category in like it in easy subject. BDM is like more business oriented things. So the only drawback in BDM is like the assignments. So the BDM assignments are like different from normal courses. Each week you have to submit, do something on Excels and data sets, and you have to submit. So it might be like if you can't devote time, it might be hard. Else, BDM is a easy course.
Okay, but the thing in MLS, like it requires Max 1 stats, too, right? I did it
Yeah,
a term before it, so I don't think I'm that strong in it.
but in the data science courses, it's the easiest one. Like
Okay,
MLF is the easiest one, and other one is tedious. But without completing the machine learning courses, I won't suggest you to take tedious. You won't understand much.
okay. So BDMS and I mean DBMS and MLF is a preferred one, right?
Yeah, you can take DBMS and MLF.
Okay, and like what is the procedure to study these subjects? Like, should I watch the live sessions or
See,
just
if you are not thorough with the concept, see, I'll be bluntly honest. For the MLF, week 1 to 4 is okay. 5 to 8 would be like the most confusing lectures of this course, whole degree, and 8 to 12 would be like okay, you will understand. The major problem will you face in MLF is week 5 to 8 because those lectures are kind of, I don't want to go in details, but yeah, you will find it boring and at the same time like complex.
okay?
Uh,
So should I focus on the live sessions or the recorded sessions?
recording session
Uh,
also. Okay.
you can follow the live sessions, that is
Yeah, you can follow
helpful.
the
You
live
can
sessions.
Live session
ask
updated.
your doubts as well. Okay, so instead of lectures, if you don't want to go follow the lectures, then you can follow the live sessions as well. They clear your doubts, you can ask them. That's you can do.
No, for the concepts, like which is better? The
Yeah.
ones that are recorded, is that fine? Or
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
live sessions they teach well, they summarize it well, they will solve your doubts. And lectures, as I suggested, you can watch, but you can get confused in the path. So
No,
I would suggest
MLF,
go with the live session first.
MLF lecture not that much great. Uh,
Yeah.
DBMS, I think you are also doing DBMS in your offline college. Am I right?
no, no, I am from EC background. I'm not doing my computers.
Okay.
Okay, so you might not be familiar. DBMS lectures is one thing like those are lengthy. Like each week, you need to give minimum of like 2.5 hours. That too, just only for the lectures length. Like it's
Why
the minimum. And if you do like write notes stuff and everything, it will take like 3 to 4 hours in
uh,
total
Per
per
week.
week.
when you
Per week.
study, you will realize that the DBMS is easy, but on gradually, once anthem is coming, you will feel that
Yeah,
I forgot each and
DBMS is
everything.
tough.
So
DBMS is
one
tough.
thing to that you can make a note what you study. So at the end you can revise it very quickly. So
Hmm.
this is the one takeaway you can take.
For DBMS, I would suggest ki, like follow the live sessions because in the live sessions they like
Yes.
go point to the point and just tell you the concepts which are needed for specific for the exam. But if you want to go through the like concepts of DBMS, lectures was the lectures because they go in deep context. In live session, they specific to the exam. They point out, okay, this formula is required. Go study this. This is much theory. They won't ask in exam. Okay,
No,
kind of like
another thing.
this.
One YouTube channel is present. Forget that name. That is
Yeah,
very
there are multiple YouTube channels also.
one
My
YouTube channel I
campus.
referred.
Gates measured.
Gates
Yeah,
Freshers.
Gates measures. Gates measures.
You can if you watch that there is a lots of video. I think 100 video or 80 video. If you watch that video, I think you will be conceptually capable to do the question. You can watch
Yeah,
that.
Like, can you tell me the name of the YouTube channel once again?
Gates measures. Gates measures. Okay,
Gates.
someone just drop in
GATE.
the someone drop in the chat. You will find a whole playlist for DBMS.
Okay, okay, okay. And also, like, if I take two courses per term, how long will it take for me to complete both of these diplomas?
Okay, for two courses, I'll count projects included in the two or projects separate,
No, no, including the projects.
including
Everything.
projects two or
Yeah,
like
yeah,
projects.
including the projects too.
Then it will take too much of time. Like if there are 12 theory courses and four projects, 16 divided by two, 8 terms. 8 terms, that means it's around like you can take around 3 years. So it would be like too much time.
you can do one thing. Sometimes you can take more subject. Let's suppose this time you don't have time. You can take you are taking very easy subject. Next time you have to devote the most lots of time.
Okay.
This way you have to balance
Y-
out.
Yeah, you
Otherwise,
can combine that. Else it will take too much time, like 3 years for.
one
You
thing,
can understand that.
another thing also. This time you're taking very easy courses. We have a very less easy courses. After that, tough courses is coming. That time you have to give lots of time.
Yeah, since you are doing now easy courses both together, you are also combining the hard courses together. You need to
One
take
suggestion
keep
is that
in mind also.
take easy and tough question, but since you don't have time, you're taking both of the easy subject. So this thing,
Oh, okay. Like, next 2 semesters, I will be forced to take two hard subjects. Is it?
yeah, yes.
Yeah,
There is some of the easy subject present, but there is some
Mm.
prerequisite also. There is a BA. For BA, you have to complete the
BDM.
BDM.
Okay.
This thing you have to follow.
Yeah, it's like two ways, na. If you are taking the easy courses, you are also combining the hard courses for later part.
Oh,
At
these are the
later
only
point,
easy subjects in diploma. Only these
yeah,
two.
this kind of you can consider like these are beginner level courses, and it's a kind of compared to the other courses, these are easy ones. So if you're
Okay.
combining the easy courses, then you will like combine the hard courses also together. So it will be like later part you will find it like tough to complete.
Okay.
So you can also do one thing like combine hard and easy, so it can balance out.
No, at this point of time, my engineering subjects are also very tough. So I
Okay,
don't
you
want
can
to.
this time you can
Yeah,
do. Next time
yeah,
you have to prepare
you
yourself.
can. Uh,
Or you can do one thing. You have some gap in between. You can study and you can finish something.
Like, as in, like, I couldn't get it.
like
Yeah,
see, you get semester breaks right in between or some
Okay.
kind of. You can just prepare a bit within this break, so that when the term starts, it won't get like too much overwhelming.
Yeah, got it. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay. Next, anyone? Yeah, please go ahead.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have passed in all the subjects, all the four subjects except maths. Can I register for the next term?
Like, can you tell like in which level you are currently?
Foundation level. I
Okay.
have with English one, Maths one, Stats one, and computational thinking. Can I register for Maths 2, Stats 2, and Python?
So which subject you have
Maths 2
failed?
I can't register. Maths 2 I can't register. I know that.
Yeah.
So can I go for English 2, Stats 2? I mean, sorry, English 2, Stats 2, and Python next term.
Yeah. Yeah. If
I
you
can
have
go for
passed
that.
the courses, you can take the
Okay.
subjects.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Next, anyone?
அதான் அந்த மாதிரி தான் சொல்லலாம் 3 சப்ஜெக்ட் அடுத்தது இது பண்ணலாம் இந்த டேர்ம் ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணலாம் கேட்டு இல்ல இல்ல அடுத்த 3
Can you just mute your mic?
அடுத்தது 2 வரும்
Yeah, next, go ahead. Whoever is there. Rajkumar, there is no passing marks in the end term. Okay, you have to pass in the total score. Okay, next. Minimum scores for each courses. Actually, you have to pass in each courses. You have to score at least 40. 40% is the minimum passing criteria in the total score, I'm saying. And for end term, there is no separate passing criteria. Next, have any doubts? You can just open your mic and ask.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Like you told for DBMS, is there any YouTube channel for MLF as well?
Yes, yes. There is MLF. Okay, you were just asking the official YouTube channel or any other.
No, no, no. The one that was given before, no, the Gate Smashers, something similar to that.
Um, Anyone have any idea? Any other suggestions like MLF channel? You can. I think you can contain follow the Gilbert Strings videos. That's also
Yeah,
very
yeah,
good.
you can
There
follow
are
the
live
lectures
sessions
of
are
Gilbert Stone, but only if you have sufficient time in your hand. So because the
No, I
lectures are
don't.
quite lengthy, and sir has a book has multiple books as well on similar topics. But again, like you have to devote some time for that. If you don't have, then please go with the recorded live sessions only. Don't follow those channels.
Okay, so that MLF only live sessions, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
see, the for MLF for week 1 to 4, it's quite easy. You can just follow the lectures as well. You will understand. But again, the later weeks, you can just follow the live session. That will be enough. I'll suggest.
Okay,
Okay. Now that will be because the lectures take some more time, and I will not suggest to go through the lectures. Okay, just you can follow the live sessions. It will be enough for
okay.
you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Next. Next, anyone have any want to ask anything?
Hello, sir.
Ronak Singh. Yes. Who is that?
Sir, I am Udit.
Yes, Udit. Go ahead.
Sir, actually, I am pursuing this degree program with BTech. So I am not able to devote time for lectures, right? Those recorded lectures which we get on our portal. I
Yeah.
somehow managed to do assignments with help from here and there, but that affects my scores. Like I gave right now, I was writing the final semester of my foundation. So out of three courses, I was able to qualify only two. That is a very major issue because I have to repeat courses again and again. Can you suggest something so that I can complete things in a short bit and get score just to qualify those subjects?
What are the subjects you left right now in foundation?
Now I am left with only stats 2 and maths 2.
Okay, for stats 2 and maths 2, see, the both are little bit heavy subjects. Okay, you can see since you are doing dual degree, so yeah, the following the lectures is a little bit tough for you. So you can just go through the lecture slides that you can do one thing that will little bit and also you can follow the live sessions because live sessions are very helpful, and if you have any doubt they resolve your query, and they started with the beginning as well. I mean they'll
But one more thing, like I want to know if I properly solve the questions from graded assignments, would that
yeah.
be sufficient for me scoring good marks in
Absolutely,
exam?
absolutely, absolutely. If you are able to solve the graded assignment questions on your own, then definitely you can pass.
Okay,
You
sir.
can
Thank you.
pass, and even you can get a good score as well.
Actually, I had repeat already was repeating maths too. I have to repeat it again now.
Yeah, and listen, one thing. If you have any books of mathematics, like in your just, higher secondary standard, you can also took that because the lecture is little bit more vague, I can say. So I will not suggest you to follow the lectures in maths too. Okay, you can follow any other YouTube channel as well. To you can just search with the topics. Just go and Google it, and just resolve your query on your own. Okay, so
Okay,
lectures I
sir.
will not
Got your
suggest
point.
you. Yeah,
Okay, sir. Got your point. Thank you.
yeah. Okay, next anyone? Others, any doubt, you can just open your mic and ask.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Nizal. Go ahead.
Sir, I want to ask you that what if our exams are consecutive? For example, like I'm doing BTech plus this BS degree from IIT Madras. So what happens is that if today is my quiz one, then tomorrow is my CT or NTEM exam. So it makes it really difficult for me to manage both the exams. So is there any way so that I can do that in a good manner?
So you mean both of your degree exams are clashing with each other, right?
For
Yeah, sir,
example,
that is also issue with me as well.
yeah,
Yeah, I understand. This is
just
the
my
disadvantage of dual degree. Understand. So, what I can say in that case. So, what you can do, like you can take lighter subject if you can feel that if you have more exams with clashing with each other. So, I'll suggest you can take lighter courses as well in foundation or diploma, whichever level you have right now.
no, right now
It
I'm
will
in
better. It will be
foundation
better
level.
to handle. Okay.
Another thing is that when you're getting the semester break, you have to complete some of the subject by yourself, seeing the live sessions or seeing the recorded video. So that would be helpful next term. This way you
Like,
will have to manage.
okay, like what happened in this term is in quiz 2 is on the day from next day onward my semester exams end sem started,
Yes,
and
this
then the
kind of hard.
last semester exam after just after the day my this end term exam of IIT Madras is there. So
For you
doing
can do
both
one
things
thing.
is makes.
If you watch live session before the exam, if you see the only revision session, that would be okay to pass the exam, and even you can get good marks also if you saw a live session earlier. So this way you can do that. That is a student who did this thing, kind of thing.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, one more thing. Can you give some guidance regarding OPPs? How to approach them? How to prepare for them? What could be the resources?
In
OPP
which
whose
subject?
subject? It is
Python,
dependent on subject to subject.
Python.
Python, if you know the if you saw if you be able to solve the graded assignment question, that is okay. I think to know the uh, this thing. I completed very earlier. If anyone done it recently, they can do this thing.
See,
I think this way I think.
basically for Python, it's not too hard actually. You
Yes.
can manage on your own. Just at least you can code at least one code if you can if you have time. You can practice one code per day. You will be able to handle it any of the Python OPP. Okay, it's
During my
not.
time, I solved all the graded assignment question. After that, then I gone into the exam paper. I saw that each and every question doable, and I saw this kind of question, and that changed little bit. They're not changing whole question. That changed little bit, and I can able to do each and every question.
And
Actually,
one
sir, what
thing.
happened was I know the subject. What happening is like I gave this time only end term exam. I got 77 marks in my end term.
Okay.
In the quiz one also I got 60 marks. But when I appeared for OPP, I wasn't able to clear it.
But both are different. See, quiz are for theoretical subject, and these are practical subject. You have to do by yourself. If you don't code by yourself, you can't do it. So you can do the graded assignment. I think programming graded assignment you have to do by yourself.
Okay, sir.
See, basically, you have to practice for coding and
Yes.
for mathematics, these kind of subjects and all. I will suggest you have to practice to clear your concept and the habituated. Okay, you have to practice. Without practice, you can't code because you will get confused. Okay, and one more thing in Python, there is a OPP doubt clearing session. Okay, before every OPP, 3 to 4 days before the OPP, they conduct from support team. They conduct OPP doubt clearing sessions. You can follow that as well. That is most of the kind of questions from that. doubt clearing session and mock. Okay, you can just if you can manage it to and solve on your own, you can definitely clear the OPP.
Okay, thank
If,
you, sir.
yeah. Okay, next.
Hi, this is Avadappan. I have a major confusion in taking which diploma I should go with. And with I should go with programming or data science. I don't have any idea about this. Can you give some suggestions?
Okay, so have you completed your foundation?
No, actually I have not completed my maths too. I have to give a re-attempt, I guess.
Okay, so which background you are from? Are you from any programming background or coding?
Yeah,
You have
I'm
any
doing my
prior?
degree, but I've done my 12th with maths and computer science.
Okay, so you can mixed up your data science and programming subjects. Okay, or you can focus if you are have good knowledge in programming, then you can take programming courses like DBMS or MAD one. This kind of subjects you can take from your beginning in the diploma, or side by side you can take one data science course like BDM or MLF. You can take. There's a lighter subjects I'm saying, so it will be good for you to start with diploma, and later you will understand how to continue by clearing the subjects.
Okay, is MLF is just like Max 3 or something?
Kind of it's more with maths 1 and maths 2 and extended version. The maths 1 and maths 2 combined, the applications will be there for machine learning in the beginning, machine foundations. It will be easy and easy to manage.
And portions of stats too as well. I mean,
Yeah, a little bit portion of stats too.
Could you please?
Can you repeat? I can't hear you.
Uh, could you please share some reference for reference say books or YouTube channels
Is it for me only? Your
for
voice is
business
breaking.
analysis and MLF? For everyone, its voice is breaking. So.
Your voice is breaking. Can you just come again? I think I think he had some network issue. Okay, next. Anyone? Ronak Singh, you raise your hands. Yes, yes, go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Actually, I am in foundation level and I have completed my first term, that was May term, with four subjects. So before that, I was doing BS as the only degree, but now I am doing BTech with it. So from tomorrow, my BTech classes are starting. So can you please suggest me what courses should I take in next term? I am left with Stats 2, Maths 2, English 2, and Python programming.
So, do you have any duration like in this time you have to complete this
Yeah, in
foundation of
three
diploma?
terms.
So one term you have already completed, right? So you have only two terms.
Yeah, four
You can
four subjects. Yeah.
divide it for subjects. So you can divide it like maths 2 and Python you can take because stats 2 is a little bit tougher in foundation. So English 2 is easier, so it will be balanced each other. So in the next term you can take Python and maths 2, or later term you can take stats 2 and English 2.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Next. Next, anyone with question?
Hello.
Yes, yes. Right.
Uh, so I just finished my foundation and I'm going into diploma. So what would you suggest? Should I go for programming or should I go for DS? I have no idea about anything right now.
So you want to do it combined? You want to take, or you want to
Which
focus
which
on
is
specific?
which is better?
If you want to focus
think,
on
may I
any
know your
particular,
background?
yes, yes, which background you are from?
What your interest?
Like you have, yeah, yeah.
Uh, right now, I feel like DS is more in my interest right now because I do not know a lot of
So
programmings.
basically, you don't have any programming knowledge, right?
Background.
Any,
Nothing except
not much.
Python that I just finished.
So then I will suggest you to take data science, and I will suggest to take a mixed diploma subjects. Okay, but take two data science subject and one programming will be better for you. Like you can
Okay.
take MLF and BDM, that is lighter in the data science as well, and in from programming you can take DBMS. It's
Okay.
not too much for you, and or Mat one you can. But I will suggest DBMS will be better because if you can understand DBMS, then you will get to understand Mad one. Okay, this code is
Okay.
this.
If you're
So
doing standalone, so I think Shava, since you are taking MLF, BDM, these are the kind of easy subject. You can take
Uh-huh.
one tough subject like PDSA, little bit tougher.
Okay.
So this way you have to manage. Since you are, I think you are doing standalone. Am I right?
No, no, I'm doing BTech as well.
Okay, so if you
see
take three subjects,
DBMS will be better because PDS a little bit data structure thing that will
yes.
a
So
little bit have to
I thought that she is
devote
doing
time.
only standalone. So if it is doing another degree, then you have to switch.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Okay.
MLF, BDM, and DBMS will be better in starting. I will suggest.
Okay. Okay. And
Yeah.
what about projects? How do those work?
Like you want to project in first term or you want to
And no, like
later?
should I take a project? How do I like how do I
See,
take it
for
over the times?
there are two projects, BTM and MLP in the data science diploma, and there is MAD 1, MAD 2 for diploma data
Okay.
science. Okay, so BTM is a quite easy BDM project. It's quite easy. You can manage. So if you are taking BDM theory courses, then you can take BDM project.
Okay.
For
Okay.
but because
So I
it's a
have
little bit, we have to survey and take data and analyze on that. Basically, this is the thing. Nothing
okay.
much burden.
Okay. So I have to take one project every semester.
No, you don't have to. It's not necessary. You can take later as well.
Okay. 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 Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah. Next one. Whoever is left. Next one. Who have any doubts? You can open your mic. Okay. Anyone? None of you have any doubts?
One thing, I have one doubt.
Yes. Go
Have you
ahead.
completed degree level courses?
No, I'm not. When will the course registration for second term in foundation? The next course registration start will from 12th September. It will be 2 days, 12th and 13th. Okay. So, but they extend the duration by deadline. Don't worry. Okay, next. Anyone have any doubts? You can go ahead. Okay, for your information, I am sharing the thing. Okay, the item already shared, but I'm also repeating it now. The quiz one is on the next term. Quiz one is on 27th October, and quiz two is on December 1st, and the interim exam will be on December 22nd December. Okay, so and registration will start from 12th September. So please remind the dates and try to. And IITM also query solve your technical queries related to your course registration or any like wallet things and how to fee structure and all this kind of technical queries they resolved, or you can ask in our house group as well. We will answer there also. Okay, or any course related doubts you can ask in the G space here. I hope you both of everyone here are in the official G space and the WhatsApp group as well, so you can ask your doubts there as well. Okay, so others, anyone have any doubt? Any doubt, you can open your mic and ask. Okay, I think none of you have any doubts. Sir, if I want to join second my left course from next term, then can I do this? Um, I don't get you what you want to say. Can you just open your mic and ask Shivam Shukla?
Yes, sir. I want to ask that this left course, my left course, I want to continue from second term. Then can I do it?
You mean you don't want to take any subject in the next term?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, that you can do. You can take RK.
Yes.
At that during the time of post registration, there is a choice RK. Okay, that means registration keep alive. That you can choose that and pay. You have to pay 1,000 rupees for that. Paying that, you can take a break on
Different
that
use.
term. Yeah, and you can continue later term as well. In from the January
Okay.
term. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
yeah. Okay, others, anyone? Okay, so I'm assuming none of you have any doubt. So If you have any doubt, you can ask or you can.
I have a doubt regarding degree level courses. Is there anyone from degree level?
Mm.
I think
Anyone from degree level student is there? I don't think so.
no.
For the simplicity, can you just ask what is your query actually?
My query is that I want to take that software engineering and software testing. What is the how to go ahead and what are the PGPs I have to do? PGPs in the sense what
Acha, acha, I understand.
what thing I have to follow. Sometimes video is the best. Sometimes if some YouTube lecture is the best. So that thing I want to know.
As far as I know from the seniors, the lectures isn't not up to the mark, as I heard from them. Okay, so I
This can be possible have a possibility. That's why I want to clarify this thing. But did this subject then know early clearly what to do, how to go ahead, how to get good marks easily.
okay. I don't think
There is a no. Okay,
there is no degree level student. Yeah.
yeah, there is a no. So anyway, I'll ask. But one thing is that degree level don't have any you can say groove. There is no particular groove for degree level.
Yeah, even the live sessions are not conducted as that much like diploma level.
Oh my god.
They are like you are now grown up, study on your own.
Study on.
Basically, yes, and this is the true. On the degree level, that contents and all, it's not up to the mark, as I heard from the seniors. Okay, and they actually suggested maybe few months ago. They actually suggested to like Google everything in every aspect, in every topic. You can just Google or YouTube, find and learn on your own. This is the thing in degree
At
level
least,
school.
at least they can make group, WhatsApp group.
Yeah,
Now the
student are
video,
less.
that
They
is
can
also
For
manage.
now,
another thing.
student is less, but yeah. No, see, WhatsApp is not an official thing, but there is
Yeah.
a Gexpress or Google Groups. They solve doubt clearing sessions are not too frequently, but they sometimes they took. Its case actually vary from subject to subject in the degree level. This is the thing. The students are also less.
Is there any G space for communication?
Um,
With
Subject
whom?
specific Gexpress is not there.
So to communicate with our degree level courses, degree level student.
You can do one thing. You can just go to the discourse forum. Are you familiar with discourse?
Yes, yes. Right.
You can go there and ask your query, because there
But one
this
thing is
my
that
yeah.
once I register, they finalize my registration. After that, they'll be enable that degree level G space. Till now, they put me into the diploma level G space. This is another drawback.
No, you can just ask there if there is any. You can ask there as well for the groups. Sometimes some of the students make their group and create the group and study together. These kind of unofficial small groups you will get. I can
Okay,
assure that.
general.
Okay, you can
Okay,
just
general.
ask someone. If
Okay, okay.
someone
Thanks.
ask you, reply you, you can connect with them. Is this is
Nice.
that is why Discord is created. And some of the time instructors also reply there. If there is an official displays, they will refer you definitely.
Okay, okay. Thanks. But where should I put it? Do I put it? Which category?
Shramadip,
Clarify.
can you just mute your voice is noising? Yeah, go ahead, Ajay.
So, which category I have to put it, and in which category I have to ask?
In which category? I just do that, because in category I don't think so.
Maybe clarify. You can put it
But
on the clarification.
what?
Yeah.
There is one category called clarification. You can put it under that. That is or operational. Actually, these things do not matter much. Okay, so the
But
threads are
one
one
thing
of the.
I thought that what I discussed is use. I gone into that subject. There I asking the question. But one thing that I want to ask in general. So this question, what I want to ask about the degree level courses, that is in general. So everyone need to know. Everyone need to see this thing. To see the each and every one, what we have to do it. This
Okay, so if you want to ask about the degree level courses, then you ideally should not ask it on your course portal because you're not part of that course of yet, right?
yes, no, yes, that is the
So that
thing.
that is why you have to go to through general. That's just like what you said, not under courses, but under general. Okay, so there you can post about these things. But one drawback I can say about general thing is that those queries are very less attended if compared to the
Yes,
course
yes,
related queries.
yes, yes. That is the another point.
Maybe so that is why if you know anyone who is already in the degree, you can ask them. That would be better.
Oh, okay, I know some of them. Okay, thanks. I forget. I know some of them. Okay.
Yeah. So any new joiners, if you have any question, you can go ahead. Okay, so none of you have any doubt, I'm assuming. If you guys have any question, you can ask or stay.
Guys who have cleared their doubts can, I guess, leave the meet. There's no point of you staying once your doubt is solved.
Hello, can you hear me? Hear
Yes,
me?
go ahead, Balaji. Yeah, go ahead.
I am going to diploma level this time. Can I take MAD 1 and DBMS course?
Yes, yes, you can take these two together. Of course, you can take. So you just completed your foundation and entering the diploma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can take MAD 1 and DB. So you want to focusing the programming diploma first?
Not that, but I want to do projects as earlier as possible.
Okay. Yes, then you can take MAD 1 project and DBMS. Good combo. Actually, these two are co-requisite of each other, so it's better as well. Or you can take a data science course as well, a lighter course from data science like BTM or MLM. That's your choice.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Aryan, you are from degree level, right? So Ojo, you can ask your doubt from him, clarify your doubt
Yes,
from
I'm
him.
asking. Sir, hello. I message to you. Sir. Okay, okay, okay. Thanks.
So she's asking for chat. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. I
we
can
are
just.
doing chat on WhatsApp.
Um, can I take math two and stat two in my foundation together? Yes, of course you can take, but it will be a little bit tougher for you because stats two is a little bit tough in foundation. So I not recommend. But if these are the two subjects left in foundation, then yes, you can take and you can just brainstorm and pull it out. Okay. Next, anyone? Any doubt?
Okay, for the difference between MLT and MLP, on a higher level, one is like math oriented and other is like programming oriented. Like in MLT, you are doing mostly maths of machine learning. If you see at a higher level, it's maths just. In MLP, you do the actual coding and like how to make the models and everything that you learn in MLP. That's the higher overview. But if you go deep down lower, there might be other differentiating factors also. But on a higher level, it's that difference. Uh, to take the MLP course, you need to first complete the MLT. That's a
Prerequisite.
prerequisite.
So ideally, you can assume that MLT is more of a theoretical course and MLP is practical course. So that is a brief overview.
Yeah. Okay. The new joiners, if you have anything to ask, go ahead.
Sir, when does the registration start and when does it end?
It's from 12th September.
Only one day, sir.
No, no, it 12th and 13th, but usually they extend 1 or 2 days.
Okay, sir.
That depends. But I'll suggest can complete the registration between 12 and 13. That's better because in the last, the server might crash and
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
you won't be able to. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
or
Sir, and
technical issues.
can everyone take like four courses?
In which level you are?
I'm in foundation only, sir. I just completed the first six. I
First
will be
six.
taking the
So
next.
two left, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can take both the subjects in your next term.
Yes, sir. Yes. So I can do four, sir. I'm only doing this course.
Yes, it's in the foundation. I think CCC criteria is wiped out right now. So
Yeah,
yes,
sir.
you can take four. Yeah,
Okay.
but
That's
you
fine.
have only two. So you have to two clear this, and in diploma you can take four later.
But can I do two in this and two in that, sir? Now.
No, 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 no. You have to complete foundation first, then you can take diploma subjects.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to clear the left whatever subject you left. So you have to complete that, and after that you will can enter in the diploma.
Sir, but my senior said that they were allowed to take one diploma course, like embedded systems. I guess if you are taking embedded C, you can also take some
No, no,
diploma.
no. You can't take subjects both foundation and diploma. Okay, you have to clear foundation, then you can take diploma.
Okay.
By the way, embedded C, like, it's not a data science course. Your seniors study in electronics or data science?
Electronics.
Okay, so that might have a different procedure. Like, are they doing this diploma, direct diploma, or the degree? They
Uh,
might be doing the direct diploma, because since you mentioned like they're taking the foundation with along the diploma courses, so that might also be a case.
okay, sir. Because that's what my senior said. They said it is possible, but just asked once. They
No, if
some of them
you
said that
started
they
from
did.
foundation, so it won't be possible. Like if you start go through foundation, diploma and degree, then first you have to complete the foundation course credits, then move ahead to diploma.
Okay.
Until and unless if there is a single course left, even if the Python OPP is left, you still have to complete the Python OPP first to go to diploma.
Okay.
But I think the same rule is applicable for EA students as well. Vishal, could you clarify? Vishal, are you here? No, maybe you can
Hi,
go.
hi, hi. Sorry. Can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah, so what he's saying that for ES students, some even took few foundation level subjects along with some diploma level subjects. I mean, were able to register for diploma level subjects while the foundation subjects were not being completed. So that's what he's saying. So could you clarify that? Is it possible at all for ES?
As per my knowledge, I guess this is not possible. Like we are allowed to get the foundation level courses only in foundation level courses. As per my knowledge.
Sir, but like last time they said that some of the students they only had like only one question, only one thing left, so they were allowed to take embedded C, like the first three
Yeah,
diploma courses along with
like
the.
if you are like there are 9 to 12 courses, no, and if you have completed 10 out of 10, then you can take one course which is a foundation level in the next diploma level. Yeah, that is
Okay.
allowed.
Okay, sir. Okay. Understood, sir.
Any other doubts?
No, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay, regarding the BDM, as since you have passed it, the theory courses long time ago, you can do one thing. You can check with the like previously the I guess the theory was included with the practice project. So Since now it's separated, the structure is also changed. But yeah, you can, if you are allowed to take the BDM project, you can take the course now. And there is, I guess, no changes as such. Like, if you completed in the past, you can't take it now. Because I have also taken the PDM project. I don't think they mentioned anywhere regarding that rule.
No, but actually, for if I remember correctly, before the third term of 2022, there was a
Hmm.
rule that the project courses had to be completed in the same term as theory or in the subsequent term. There was a rule back then. But after
Okay.
23, after the first batch of first semester of 23 F1, I mean 2023, they changed this rule. They said that okay, you can complete the project anytime, either along with the theory course or one term after the theory course or anytime after that. They changed the rule. So under which rule his case will be his case will fall. I think he needs to clarify with the course team itself. So better you ask this on the discourse and send a mail to support simultaneously. That would be better. Okay.
Yeah, anyone? Any doubt? Gopal, do you have any doubt to ask? Yeah, system command, can anyone take regarding that?
System commands is basically a 3 credit course. That means it is of 8 weeks. Okay. Uh, there are 8 weeks in that, and two OPPs also are there. But it is quite hectic course, and since it is fully based on Linux, if you don't have any previous knowledge of Linux, you have to give much more time than a normal 12-week course. Okay, just to gobble up the codes because you have to practice a lot.
And the VM machine thing, that is also a little bit different for others, for the newbies actually. So I would suggest to take system commands in the later subjects when if other subjects are clear. Then I would suggest you can take system commands, because anything with system commands would hamper both the subjects.
Anyone have any other doubts?
Yes, the new joiners, if you have ask anything, you can go ahead. See, Java is basically here. Have you learned Java uh, before? I don't. If you not learned anything, so see, Java is here purely object oriented. Okay, it's a lot of tips and tricks you have to devote time and practice on Java. Okay, it's purely based on the object oriented programming mostly. Okay, so you have to code, and here the OPP, you have to mandatorily clear the OPP, at least one of the two OPP. So yeah, that is the thing. Okay, others who want to ask anything, any doubt?
So I
Go
want to
ahead.
ask one doubt.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, so like if I'm doing DBMS in the first semester, first term,
Hmm.
then should I do PDSA in the second term? Are they like related similar to MLP, MLT, and MLF? Are
No,
they
no, no, no. It's not prerequisite or co-requisite. Okay, PDSA here is data structure based on Python. Okay, then DBMS is SQL, so it's not connected actually. You can take.
okay? Okay.
You can take.
So
Yes.
yeah, so okay, that was my doubt. Thank you.
Yeah. There is one connection. Actually, the Python DB connectivity. That is the uh, simple connection in it. Already it's a DBMS actually. Okay, in the DBMS that is not related to data structure actually. In the DBMS there is a connection with Python and database connectivity. Okay, so there is a OPP in the second term, so you have to clear that. That is the one thing in DBMS, but not related to PDS.
Okay.
Yeah, but the DVMS has some bit part of like data structures. So basically, the BST, B plus tree.
Yeah.
So those kind of you study when you study data structures, but you can study like past DBMS without taking PDS. Not that tough, but yeah, some tell that okay, PDSA course has that part, so you need to study. So it's not like that. You can still pass those parts. Like it comes in mostly week 9 to 12, prominently 9, 10, 11. You will find beat trees and those stuff like where you calculate the time complexity, everything. But those are easy stuff if you like give time. That's it. No need to take the PDSA along with DBMS.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, new joiners, do you have any doubt?
Also regarding the projects,
Yeah, go ahead.
will we have projects similar to the courses which we're doing, like 12 weeks of lectures or something? How would it work?
Yeah, so for MAD 1, you will be having courses, project topics like you have to create a web app. For each term, the topic changes. For this term, it was given like a household service app. You can take it like a urban clap clone kind of thing, wherein there are multiple users, they log in, kind of a service is created, requested, and this basic stuff. MAD1 is like a very rudimentary web app that you need to create. The concepts are covered in like week 1 to 6 mostly. If you study 1 to 6 well, you can understand the theory how to do it. But if you want to like get a practical idea, you can watch the MAD1 project sessions. And MAD2 project is like the build up of MAD1. You will have two options: either work on a new project or like go ahead with the MAD1 project and l- make a version 2 of it. So it's up to you. In MAD1, you'll be having a only single topic. In MAD2, you'll have two topics. You have to choose one of the two options. MAD2 is harder than MAD1, obviously, because MAD2 will have additional features that you need to implement. In all, if you understand, you will be creating full stack apps like user interaction happens, everything. In BDM, you have to do a kind of case study of a business, of a local business, where you go and collect data, make analysis of the data, try to solve some business problem they are facing, and submit reports. I'm not getting into the details what you have to do, because when you register for the courses, you'll get like every orientation session of the projects. I'm just giving you an over higher level idea. For MLP project, what you have to do, MLP project is basically kind of a Kaggle context. If you don't know Kaggle, Kaggle is kind of a platform where the machine learning contest happens. So in that platform, you'll be given you'll be given a data set, and on that you have to run, create models and like attain a minimum score or threshold. Like if you have not done MLP, I'm not getting into the details, but yeah, you have to create models that generate a threshold score If you able to create that much of score in your model through your models, you are like eligible to like sit for the vivas. So that's the overall idea of the projects. And every project has two levels. I don't think BDM has a single level of viva, but other courses have two level. One is level 1, level 2. In level 1, you will be asked to show the core functionalities. If you see the project statement, you will find that there are core functionalities that needs to be fulfilled, and on basis on that you will be given marks. So in level 1 they will ask you, okay, have you completed this core functionalities or not. If you have not completed, they will deduct marks. If you have completed, you can proceed ahead to level 2. In level 2, it is taken by the external examiners. So in level 2 they can ask you any type of questions. They can ask you theory questions, they can ask you about the project, they can ask you anything. So for the level 2, you have to prepare every bit of your knowledge you have implemented in your project. In BDM, they ask, I guess BDM has first three level of submissions. You have to submit three reports in BDM. Then if you are like getting a threshold, you have to sit for the Viva. Viva is single level, I guess. There is only a single Viva for BDM. I guess that's a pretty good overview. If you want to ask anything regarding project, Mo?
Yeah, okay, this is fine. Thank
Okay.
you.
Anyone?
Others raised their hands.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Prithvi Prasad, please open your mic and ask. You can ask your
Hello,
doubts.
am I
Yeah, please
audible?
go ahead. Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah, I just now completed my foundation level.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward to take MAD 1 theory and project at the same time. So is it, I mean, manageable?
Mad on theory and project. Are you familiar with web technologies?
Right now I know some basics.
Basics as in.
Like I know HTML, CSS, and some database concepts.
Okay, so if you are familiar with concepts like this, I guess you can take both this together. But since there is time, I would suggest ki like there are live sessions, project sessions in that Mad One YouTube channel. You can go there
Okay.
and just look the project session and see can you do it together. If you feel like okay, sessions are there, you can study from them, you can make the app. So I'll suggest you take it because Mad One project is not that like hard if you like study well and also like well versed with the technologies, you can complete it at the same time. For
Okay,
theory
and
part, you can do
yeah,
one
tell
thing,
me.
you can study week 1 to 6 for the theory concepts. If you feel that some concepts you are not getting, for the project
Okay,
part week 1 to 6 is enough.
okay, and one more thing. In MAD 1, I know, do we use JavaScript?
No, in Mad One you are not like asked to do implement JavaScript, but thing is that you can implement JavaScript, but it will be asked you in Viva. Like if you are not thorough with JavaScript and you have implemented JavaScript from anywhere, like from the internet, the examiner can ask you anything about JavaScript, and then at that time if you can't answer, he'll be deducting marks. So it's on your own risk if you want to implement.
Okay, so there is no, extra, separate course for JavaScript in diploma, right?
No, no, JavaScript is taught in Mat 2.
Okay,
Mad one is like kind of back end oriented, and Mad 2 is like front end oriented. I
okay,
won't say like front and back end. I will say like a Mad one is like server side rendering, and Mad 2 is like client side rendering. So that way it will be like good description. Like in both cases, you will be making a full stack app that is having a front and back end, and but the
okay,
like implementation part is different. One is like it is rendered in the server because it is rendered through Flask in Mad 1, but in Mad 2 it
okay,
is done client side. It is done through front end framework like Vue,
okay,
and you
got
are
it.
making API calls to fetch data. So that way it works.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Next, anyone who has doubts, you can raise your hands. You can open your mics and speak.
The new joiners, you can ask your query, doubt. Anyone? Any question? Any doubt? Any query? Go ahead. Yes, Pranav, go ahead.
Hello. Can you
Yeah,
hear
please
me?
go ahead. Yeah, you're
Um,
audible.
I just finished my end term for foundation level, first end term.
Okay.
So I scored less marks in mathematics. Is there a, you know, cutoff to get the credits for that course?
Like how much you scored?
Average assignment for final scoring 46, quiz 174, quiz
Okay, wait,
240.
wait, 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 wait. Let's go slowly. Can you say again?
Average assignment for final scoring 46,
46,
quiz 174.
74. It's what is the subject?
Mathematics for data science 1,
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Quiz 1, then quiz 2.
quiz 240.
40, 40.
Yes.
Okay.
Bonus 2. What is the bonus?
It's like a practice assignment and mocks. It will be added only if you pass the course. Okay,
Okay.
tell me the anthem score.
19.
90. 19.
1 9. No, no, no. 1 9.
1 9. Um, exactly. If I calculate, you are on the verge. Like you are at 39.
Okay.
Pass is 40.
Uh,
I think they should pass you if if they're generous enough, because bonus marks are added only if you pass. So if you don't
okay.
pass, they won't add the bonus.
Well, I've received bonus for all three subjects.
No, no, it's you have received bonus.
By received
No, no,
bonus, I mean it's there in
no, no,
that my current
no, no.
courses.
Receiving bonus and adding those in the total score is different.
Okay.
If you don't pass, you won't get the bonus marks added.
Oh,
So now you are currently at 39. So
okay.
what you can do is like wait till the final score is updated. I guess the final score is updated, right? Or not?
It says just end term score 90.
Yeah,
That's it.
okay, you can wait because you are on the edge. They should pass you. They won't like pass you for one, fail you for 1 mark.
Okay.
You can wait.
Mostly, it has been noticed that if your score is 38 or 39, they generally pass you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh.
let's hope for the best. That's all we can say.
What is the registration process exactly for next term?
It's
You will. It's
get it.
opening in September, right? So you will
Yeah,
get a
12.
mail of registration opening. They will see on your dashboard. There will be a separate section of registration. You just have to click on that, and rest of the processes are self-explanatory.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Next, anyone who is even in doubt, you can open your mic and speak. Anyone from the new joiners?
I have a query. So I just completed my foundation, and I'm going to diploma from the September term. So I have what I have trying to complete both the diplomas in 5 terms.
Okay.
So my plan is the first term I take MLF, BDM, and DBMS.
MLF,
BDM and DBMS.
BDM, DBMS. Okay.
Second term I do the BDM project, MLT, MAD 1. Third term I do the MAD 1 project, MLP and Java.
Hmm.
Fourth term I do the MLP project, MAD 2 and then TDSA.
Hmm.
Fifth term I do the MAD 2 project,
Hmm.
SC, TA, and TDS. So is this plan like okay? Or is
See, if you satisfy the correct and prereq criteria, then it's okay. Regarding the toughness, I hope you have balanced it out like on the toughness.
I've tried to balance it mostly, but yeah, I just want to
Yeah, you can expect since you are in diploma level, you can't expect every topic, like every course to be easy. In any way, each course is tough on its own, like own sense. If you are not familiar with TDS, Linux, and all, you'll find system command tough. If you don't know about the web tech, how the it work, you'll find the MAD one and MAD two tough. So it depends, like what you're coming from, what you want. Generally, the tough courses, I guess, what are taken is considered like the on my personal note, PDSA, MLT, and Java. Kind of, I find it tough. Rest others are okay as I went, but some other person can have different opinion. But generally, PDSA and MLT are considered tough. Anyone wants to like give any recommendations?
No, actually, it's the same. PDS is the toughest from the
Performance is also tough if you don't have any previous knowledge of Linux because it is totally completely different level. I mean, if you don't have any knowledge, previous knowledge, okay. You'll find initially you will find it if I will find some difficulties in managing system commands. Later, if you practice properly, you will eventually be able to gobble it up.
this is SC you're talking about, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
system
system.
command.
Yeah.
What I'll suggest to not take combinations like MLT and MLF together. Don't take. If you're not thorough with maths or confident enough, don't take the two together. And yeah, regarding, I'll suggest you to take, since you are taking in 5 terms, equal spreaded, consider the margin of error. Margin of error as in like consider the worst case scenario. It's like OPP subjects and the project courses. For the projects, mostly if you push enough, you will complete the mat courses, both the mat on mat 2 project in same term. Like in which term you take, you will be able to complete. Uh, MLP also, I guess you can complete, but what you can lag is like the BDM project. Since the BDM project is different from the other projects, there can be a chance that you have taken the BDM project in this term, but you are not able to complete it, be it any reason. You have to extend the project timeline. So yeah, it might also get extended. This can also be a error, margin of error calculation, and also the OPP subjects. Some OPP are mandatory. So there is OPP in DBMS, Java, and MLP, where there are OPP mandatory criteria. If you don't pass, you have to repeat again. So yeah, you have to take that consideration also. What if I fail? There can be any reasons. This term there was a severe site issue with the OPPs, like the test cases were not running. So yeah, in that case also some anything can happen. You have to take the worst case scenario and plan accordingly. So I'll suggest you to just think on that, and I will try suggest you one thing, like don't take any OPP courses in the last term. You should reserve that term for like uh, if you fail any other previous OPP, you can take like adjust some bit. But if you take OPP subject on the 5th term, since you want to complete in 5 terms, and you take a subject that has OPP mandatory, and you fail by any chance, you have to extend another term. So you don't want to take that risk.
Yeah, okay, it makes sense.
Yeah. Rest anyone? Others? Any have doubt? If you guys have no doubts or have like resolved them, you can leave the meet.
Yeah, from the new joiners, you can ask if you want to ask anything.
The one who is from electronics background, I'm here to take your doubts. So if you are from electronics background, please feel free to ask.
So where is that? I'm actually I've opened that and it says mathematics for data science. So that's the one she did not take. So how do I find from this document? It is saying zero point 0.1 GAA plus max of 0.6 F
Yeah.
plus zero point 0.2 max of quiz 2, quiz 3.
Yeah, the max one it will be taking. Like they
So
will
that
calculate
is
both
the
the
formula
formulas,
that is
whatever the
gonna be used
max
here.
it will get.
Sorry, I didn't get it.
Both the formulas will be calculated, and whatever the max score is there, it will be like shown. Like first they will
There is only
calculate
one
the
formula
six.
there.
No, no, no. It's max of two formulas. It's like first formula is 60% of final score plus 20% of whatever the quiz is she has attempted. And the other formula is like
Okay.
40% of final plus 20% of quiz 1 plus 30% of quiz 2. So both the formulas will be calculated, and whatever the highest score is there, it will be like
So I
considered.
have one formula where it says 10% of assignments, 20% of quiz 1, 30% of quiz 2, 40% of end term. What is the other formula you
Yeah.
mentioned?
60% of final and 20% of whatever the maximum of quiz 1 and quiz 2 is there.
Plus the
Okay.
10% of graded assignment average that is common for both the cases.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So now when will we know that how many courses she's eligible for in the next term?
I guess she's eligible for 4 courses. The CCC criteria is now removed.
Okay.
She
And
can
if
take
at
four
all she
courses
just
if
has,
she has passed.
yeah, if she wants to take a retest for because she missed out on, I don't want her CGPA to go down. So English,
Okay.
computational thinking, these courses, if she wants to redo the test alone, can she do along with the 4 courses?
No, actually, she can take max of 4 courses. And redoing the
Okay.
courses, it's not suggested. If she has passed any course, it is not recommended to reappear again, because you have to pay twice the fee.
Okay. Fine. And
So
when
yeah,
will
she
the
can
registration open for the
obviously,
next 4 courses?
yeah, that it will open from 12th and 13th. It will like 12th and 13th. She has to register. Generally, the deadlines get extended, but it is not recommended to wait.
Okay. Fine. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Next, you can ask your doubt.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, sir. Is there somewhere where I can like see the course content or like some playlist of the course for the degree levels?
Yeah, you can go to the official IITMBS YouTube channel. You'll find the courses under the like playlist.
The
You can watch the lectures.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Sir, can you share the link for that channel?
Shomoda, can you share?
For which subject?
For the core subjects.
Like the BS level. You have the sheet link.
Actually, we actually need to find that because all the channels are different. The subject specific channels are different. Okay, so we
You
need to
can do
find.
one. Let me see.
Because
All the playlists are there in the main channel. You have to look.
Let me also try to find that.
Okay, give just 2 minutes. We'll just search it. Meanwhile, do others have any doubt? Any other person, Dev?
No, just one more question. This is again Shruti's dad. They
Yeah,
were
yeah. Go
mentioning
ahead.
that there is a club activities which are available where students can participate. Can I come there in person with her sometime,
Club activities, as
or
in?
is it an online?
Yeah.
They
So,
said there is a coding
generally,
club.
Clubs
yeah, yeah.
basically it's online virtual clubs, events and all of it. It's not physical in the campus. Okay.
Yeah, we have only
And
one
where can I
physical
get the
event.
list of clubs?
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, where can I get the list of clubs?
So there is no clubs actually. I'll just give you an overview idea. Whatever happens. So we have 12 houses. So
Mm-hmm.
under the 12 houses, there are many clubs.
Okay.
So I am the deputy secretary of Nilgiri House. There are other
Okay.
11 houses. So
Okay.
in that, under each house, there are multiple clubs. There can be, suppose in under Nilgiri, there are 7 clubs. So there can be a football club, there can be a music club, there can be a drama club, chess club. It depends on the house, whatever clubs they have. Apart that, we have societies. Societies are
Okay.
kind of clubs, but they operate on the total degree. They are not
Okay.
house specific. They are
Okay.
on their own. They are like separate entities. So there are other societies like drama societies. There is one
I have
speaking
pasted a
society,
link
music society.
link of the website on the chat box. So
Yeah.
there is a certain section of clubs and societies under that website. You can go through that. That will somehow clarify your queries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for the clubs, mostly the sessions happens online because we don't get permit to like do offline events. Offline event happens like city meetups. Those are new things that are introduced where the houses and societies do offline meetups. If in your city
Okay.
there is any meetups happening, you can obviously go there and attend, where all the BS students join
Okay.
and have a meetup. Apart that, there
Okay.
is an official event, Paradox, which happens in the end of May, where it's a 4-day
Okay.
event happening in the campus of IIT Madras. It has cultural, sports, and activities. She can come and enjoy the campus.
Okay. Sorry, when is that?
It's generally it is in end of May.
Okay. Fine. 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 Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Yeah, I think I found the software engineering and software testing lectures. Let me just share. Shamuda, can you just paste it in the chat? I have shared.
So share on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Just a second, yeah.
Mm. SPG I am not getting. AI also. Deep learning. I found it. Yeah, I have got 3 courses. You can go ahead with this. Yeah, next. Anyone have any other doubts?
Okay, so I think none of you have any doubts. So
Sir, yeah, I got it. Thanks.
So shall I close?
I think we can wrap it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I will stop recording.
Okay, then bye bye, guys. Thank you for joining.